I'm Tyson Grover from Friendly Vet Animal Hospital, located at 1603 Ogden Avenue. We are a 3-doctor practice that is very family oriented. We want our staff and our clients to feel like a family. We also really want the pets to feel like part of our family as well. So we work very hard towards gaining their trust and getting them comfortable with the people in the practice.
Friendly Vet Animal Hospital, this is Jordan.
We love all of the animals as we love our own, and we keep that in mind every day when we're working with them or offering advice to the owners. That's what we're all about. Otro go.